So I'm spending my birthday here at the Custer State Park. This is part of the Bison Center. And we got a nice little area here, and way out there in the distance are buffalo. And we're going to drive by them in just a few minutes, but that's what I'm doing. But yeah, happy birthday to me. Ooh, it's a little windy up here. Just a little bit of wind. Yeah, there's always a better one. Just keep going. Oh yeah, we're at Windy Park. No, just kidding. It's not called Windy Park. It's called Badlands. Badlands National Park. Yes, they do encourage you to go off the. I wouldn't say encourage, but it's okay to get off the beaten path. Because that's the only way you can see views like this. Hey, it's a video, not a picture. Hold on. Somebody's cold.
Yeah.
It's 68 out here. It's not that bad.
It is too.
See, look, that guy's even in shorts.
That's my 80-degree weather.
And this is 80-degree weather. Check out this place. It's a Sylvan Lake. So beautiful. I've probably done more videos here than any place. Let's go. Pet him. You go pet him again.
Give me your nose. Give me your nose. Oh, he's trying to eat my finger.
There you go.
Give me your nose.
Thinks it's a piece of celery.
Give me that nose. Oh, come here. I know you want my cup. I hate my cup.
What?
That's cool.
Put the food in and pull it. And it dumps it up there for him. Encourages them to climb across. My little explorer. Where she's at. Yeah, worst places to explore, huh? It's down Needles Highway in South Dakota. Hey, there's Abigail. There they are trying to get closer. Where's she going? I hope she's not trying to get in. I'm sure she's not. There's another one of those lookout spots. You can see Mount Rushmore through there. That's kind of cool. I like the extra woods that you see. All the distance. Trees. It's part of fog. It might be part of forest fires from the north. Called beetle eaters. Black woodpeckers. Black-backed woodpeckers. Worst places to spend the day, that's for sure.
And sweetly you must sing when the verse is through. In chorus I'll join and there'll be a hot time in the old town tonight.
By the time he told that story, he had me killing around 100 people. Can you believe that? It was more like less than a half a dozen at this point. But it did make me famous. I went from being James Butler Hickok to being Wild Bill Hickok, the Prince of the Pistoliers, the greatest gunfighter the West had ever seen.
Eligible prospectors. Some came with hopes of finding the right man. Others came simply to make their own fortune. Their attire, somewhat more revealing than what was thought to be proper, was looked down upon by those trained in ladylike. Bill resulted in an attack on Bill's part to get Charlie's chair.
Charlie! What are you doing in my chair?
My hot chair.
I don't care if you think it's a hot chair or not.
Bill
I
was
sit
not
there, you
given
know
his
it.
request,
Get out.
and grudgingly, with
sitting here
great
all day and I've
hesitation,
I don't-
pulling his gun. Recognizing McCall had newcomer to town, he greeted him with a friendly,
Howdy,
then
Jack.
he took his gun.
Well then, I got a few things to say.
Hey,
Why Bill killed my brother, so I killed him. Why Bill threatened to kill me if I ever crossed his path again. I'm not sorry for what I've done. I'd do the same thing all over again.
Well.
So I'm here in Deadwood. In case you didn't know anything about Deadwood, Deadwood is full of casinos. Like this one. This is actually a celebrity hotel. I don't gamble much, but I do like the stuff they have on display. There's stuff from different movies. They have guitars in the back that are from different players, the Monkees and some different ones. They also have this, an original motorcycle. I'm thinking since we're so close to Sturgis, right? This is from Anne Margaret. She had it in one of her movies or something she was doing. It's actually a picture of a motorcycle here with her on it. It's kind of cool. I like stuff like that here. And stuff from Saving Private Ryan, different things. It's pretty cool. I did. And those are rams. Miles Holston with bighorn sheep. Right here in Custer State Park in the wild. Yeah, these are not hand fed. Right here by this road. Just happened to see my wife spotted them on the way by. So guess where I am now? Yeah, that place. We have finally arrived. Look at this place. Isn't it beautiful? It really is. I'm trying not to be too shaky when I walk out here to it. There's people out there walking on it now. Private property, indoor at your own risk. People get out there and take their shoes off and everything. Stacking rocks. Ain't supposed to be stacking rocks. But it's beautiful, isn't it? It's all white. So, a little bit about this. I actually did some reading. I know it's shocking. It's 75 miles long, and its widest spot is 45 miles wide. I'm gonna ask that guy if he's got some tequila. All this salt, why not, right? Hand over. We're way out here. We might just do some collecting. Just a little bit, not much. Man, is that sun bright. You just almost can't stand it without sunglasses, I'm telling you, because you get the reflection off this salt here at the Great Bonneville Salt Flats here in Utah. Cool place. Real cool place. You should be here too. Certainly worse places in the world to have lunch. So what do you think this is, huh? Anybody guess? Any guesses? I'll give you a hint. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's definitely kind of quirky there, isn't it? This is in St. George, Utah. It's a guitar sculpture. It's really cool. It's a really nice area. Got some more memorials over there. Big grassy area. Over here, there's a carousel. So now I'm at Zion National Park, and they got a lot of displays here talking about the area and how it was developed and some of the animals you might see and different points of interest. They definitely give you a place when you come in. They give you pick up a map and everything like that. But there's lots of different things like this, like this young man here, that young man right there. But it's really neat. There's a lot to see. Tons and tons of hikers. So if you're into hiking, it's definitely a place for you. Zion National Park. Yeah, it's beautiful like that. Yeah, well, how about that? This whole place is just sick. I swear. Sick with beautiful views and beautiful drives. There's a hole. See it right up there. There's a hole right up there. We're going to try to make a tunnel through. I'm about ready to go through a tunnel. Not you, but you see this beautiful arch here. And right now it's It was pretty quiet here until the tour bus just showed up. Anyway, I'm glad I got a chance to stop here before I got a bunch of people talking in the background. The air brakes were bad enough. Well, I'm not texting and driving, but I'm using my phone. Well, let me just say, I'm doing 15 miles per hour right now. This is one of the longest tunnels in the world. It's 1.1 miles long through this mountain. Wow. Most long tunnels are, I don't know, 300 feet. You know, the ones in different places we've been to have been even smaller than that, but 1 mile long. It was made back in, it said 1930 was when it was built. Wow. And right now they're only allowing one lane of traffic to go through here. I waited about 15 minutes in line for us to finally get to this. It's amazing. Looks like we got a lookout here. Ooh, that should be special. Luckily there's no place to park, huh? Wow, that's crazy. And this is actually one of the hiking trails. I thought I'd get off on a hiking trail. But there's down here in a dry riverbed, there's actually sand. There's sand. A tunnel going that way. I think I may just take a walk through that tunnel. We're still in Zion National Park, and the sand's bringing a tear to my eye. I miss the beach so much. Mountains are great, but I'm a beach guy. I can't help it. Right now, I'm actually wearing a Sloppy Joe shirt. I miss the beach. We're going to end up in Florida, and yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna take a walk down through here and see if I can find something worth recording. The thing is about this is it's not full of people. I'm actually a little surprised. I see footprints. There's a lot of sand and rock through here. I'm sure it's going to open up to something ugly or something spectacular. You can see that one over there. And these over here. Still more tunnels, or should I say walkways, go all the way up that way. And right now I can't hear any cars. It's a beautiful thing. And this one here is pretty steep. Imagine you hiking up that thing or trying to come down and hit one of them loose rocks. You'll be sliding for a while. Definitely beautiful. There are walking trails down at the bottom with a dry riverbed. Check out this one. Yeah, that's all right. Mesa. I don't know why they call it checkerboard. So many views. And this is like being back in South Dakota. I've actually never had them stop at a water hole before. I like it. Well, actually, there's a big fence in between us.
Is this happening?
But this is a watering area. They got a big open area there. They can, that direction they can graze in, but they just happen to come down here. Cool stuff. Everything was shooting that way, and these are right against the fence. This one's 6 feet from me.